Alright guys, I got so much stuff to do today. No need for me to talk to the camera. If y'all need anything, here's my information. And let's go ahead and get today's project started. Already got it ready, all the colors selected, everything going. Let's get to stitching out. Take a close-up look. I know there's going to be a couple threads I gotta clip, like these little ones right here, but looks like it came out good. Let me know what y'all think below. Shop with me, neverdenieme.com.